Hello there, gamers! Hello, welcome back to Mike Raphael's channel, and today, haha. So have you guys ever drawn with a pencil and paper and thought, hey, this is way too expensive, so you decided to buy Adobe Illustrator, which costs more than $200, maybe even more. So anyway, in today's video, we're going to draw digitally on Adobe Illustrator. And I'm going to draw things that my friend's suggestion. And I have a couple of here. Draw Mount Everest, draw a penguin, draw a man eating hamburgers. So I'm gonna start recording here on my. Ignore what I was drawing over here, okay? Ignore what I was drawing over here. It's not part of the video. Godzilla. So I have to draw Godzilla. I can probably do that. It's doable, I guess. Okay, guys, we got Godzilla on the screen. Which image is like good for Godzilla? This looks good. I'm gonna draw this. It looks pretty good. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna do that. This is a little bit too big. If it looks cartoony, my friends actually said that they want it to look realistic. I'm sorry, that's not gonna happen. But I'll try my best, okay? Yeah, the eyes is like really tiny eyes. The teeth, like I do want to know, like, what is this, like this mouth skin, like what is it, like this mouth skin, like that, like what is that mouth skin? I do want to know, but like, yeah, that, right, okay, whatever. Then I guess you do like little eyes, yeah, little eyes. Then you do like spikes. It looks pretty ugly, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty bad. He does have like a really good like belly. He's really thick. Voila, that's your boy. It's your boy, Mr. Godzilla. That's okay. We can do stuff. Do we have like layers? Yeah, we have layers. Can we do like another layer? New layer. I put this layer like layer. Yeah, that's the layer. That's the epic layer. Oh, no, I'm gonna color using a brush. It's pretty stupid, but that's okay. Some people are stupid like me, and that's okay. Anybody can be stupid. It's just a way of life. Drawing digitally is such a new thing to me. Honestly, I love drawing. Okay, wait. Okay. That should work. That I actually don't know what he looks like right now. Oh, maybe it's like that. Wait, maybe it's like this. You have the inner. It's like orange. Yeah, and then you have black, like sharp eyes. Yeah. I'm pretty sorry to my friends who thought that I'm gonna do like a realistic drawing, but you gotta understand, I suck. Yes, I suck. I admit it. Please understand my situation here. Let's do this. So first of all, we're going to color like the spines, the outer layer spines. It was really nice. We're gonna use a very hard color so you guys can see what's really happening. So that means like red, dark red, I guess, would really make. Is this a good color? I don't think it is. You know, whatever. So we're gonna draw it in. Yeah, I think I should make it like bigger so I can color better. Yeah, much easier. I'm wasting way too much time. I'm trying to get this right. It's a problem. Okay, so now I'm gonna get it lower so I can make some teeth. I guess dark gray would do. Voila, that is our boy. He will be the Godzilla for today's video. Take a picture. Voila. Next one. So now I'm gonna look at the next thing I should be drawing right now. Draw a penguin. I guess I can do that. Let's draw a penguin. We should definitely do that. First things first. Penguin. Okay. There's a movie named Penguin. That's crazy. Okay. Look at that. It's a penguin. Okay. So this is the boy. This is the boy that we're drawing. I think this will take less time because this is really easy compared to freaking King Kong, which is impossible. So let's do it. Yeah. Okay. So I guess first things first, we need the black. Don't take that out of context, please. Thank you. 16. So I guess like this is gonna be like the head. Like, this is like the beak and the head, right? That looks a little bit too cute to be a penguin. It kind of looks like the plague doctor. Now we have the head of the penguin. How about the eyes? You can't even see the eyes. That's the problem here. Like, where is the eyes? You can't see it. Like the eyes is already black. I guess it should be like this. I don't know. Yeah, that's like super black, right? I have no idea. Yeah, it's the penguin. I'm an idiot. I don't know what I'm doing, dude. Honestly, it's like orange coming out of the white. I should definitely do that. Just like there's a little bit more black here. Yeah, you have some orange coming out of it. Why does the penguin look so angry? I'm doing something wrong here. Penguins are supposed to be cute. That's what penguins are. They're supposed to look cute. I say I'm an idiot. It doesn't hit the neck. Dang it. It's okay. We can do it again. It's good. There we go. It doesn't hit the neck. It's okay. And then like the belly of the beast, completely white. Like slightly grayish to the side, but fully white at the end. Really good. Let's just do that. Second layer, please. And then put. I'm really confused. I'm really dumb. What color? What color? What color? Okay, color. So a color slightly gray. Voila! So that's our penguin. It looks pretty thick. It looks pretty good. Let's take a picture of it. Bada bing, bada boom. Next picture. I think. Actually, nah. I'm gonna do like pictures, but really good for the thumbnail, I guess. Let's do it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do a speed round. We're gonna do as much as possible, okay? We'll do a speed round. Let's do as much as possible. We're gonna get things done. Let's do it. Do it. First things first, we're gonna draw a pencil. So for a pencil, we need the yellow color, just for the sake of I'm an idiot. Can I stop doing things like this, please? Go and bada bing, bada boom. What the frick? I said I was gonna do a speed round, not a really slow one. Boom. I'm gonna do a pencil. Go. Color it in. And voila. Now we need orange. I mean, whatever. This is red, but you know, whatever. Red. We need some black. Just looking pretty ugly, but that's okay. This is a speed round. Let me just get things done here. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Black, please. Think good. 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 Oh, good. There you go. Pencil. Next. Next one. Take a picture of this. There you go. A proof. Proof I have done something in life. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the unthinkable, and I'm just gonna draw the thumbnail for this video, because obviously you guys are not gonna watch some thumbnail that somebody made. I'm just gonna make a thumbnail, just a cool thumbnail that you guys like. So I'm pretty sure you guys like memes, so I'm just gonna go find a meme, really stupid meme that you guys are probably interested in clicking on YouTube. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. I should do that. Okay, time lapse. Green. Darker green. I'm drawing something right now. You might not believe it, but I'm drawing something. It looks stupid. Well, everything I draw looks stupid, but gotta understand the difference here. Okay, now I need the eyes. I need the eyes. The eyes of the crowd. He has like a little like brownish color to his horns. I'm just gonna add that. Thick. Now let's add some arms to the boy. He has some pretty thin arms. No offense, Mike Wazowski, the meme. He is looking pretty good, honestly. Like people wouldn't know the difference between this and a real meme, right? Right. Okay. How many minutes have I been doing this? Not long enough. Voila boys, that is our thumbnail for this video. Please like and subscribe.